Hello friends, welcome to the channel Orange Blast. I'm Meghna. Today in this video, I am going to show you a very interesting and quick to make dessert. It's very delicious and yummy, and it can be made easily with the help of children. Now, as you all know that the festival of Rakhi is coming. It's a very emotional festival which is unique to India, and it celebrates a special bond between a brother and sister. And I'm always very much enthusiastic about the festival and celebrate it with lot of enthusiasm. So in these times when we are in lockdown, we should make it more interesting for our children, and this dessert will definitely help you making it guys, today we are going to make custard, and for making a custard we need custard powder, sugar, mango and pomegranate. I have taken mango and pomegranate, but you can take a variety of fruits as your children like. But on my personal note, I would like to say that add little of citrus fruits, as they don't go in too much with the custard, and mango blends very well with the custard, and milk. So what we have to do is, we will first take a little milk, say around 250 ml in a bowl, and we will add this custard powder. Yes, and we will mix it, and we will mix it in a way that there are no lumps. Make it very sure that there are no lumps in the milk. Yes, like this. It dissolves very nicely. Yeah. Then we can add a little bit of sugar to make the paste. Now we can keep it aside for 2 to 3 minutes, and this mixture is to be added into more of boiling milk. So we will take around half liters of boiling milk and add this mixture into the milk so that it gets settled down. After we have done this, we will put it into the refrigerator for setting. So we have to put it around, say, 2 hours. Once it cools down, as it settles down, we will keep it in the refrigerator. It will cool, and we will keep it in the refrigerator for, say, 2 to 3 hours. After we have kept it for 2 to 3 hours, you will get custard like this, with this consistency. I'll show you the consistency. Yes, this is the consistency of the custard. Now see how easy it is to make. And after we have got the custard, I am now adding mangoes and pomegranate. So our custard is ready, and it's ready to serve, and children can also help you in doing this, and it's very tasty. Your children will definitely love this. So enjoy your Rakhi with the custard. For more fun-based activity learning, subscribe Orange Blast.